welcome to my channel, The Hungry Bazaar, which is an online shopping channel. And today I came to visit one outlet called Patel Trading. It is an exclusive wholesale outlet of chocolates and retail also. This comes in a street called Patloonpet, which comes nearby Chickpet metro station, which comes in Bengaluru, India. It comes in a complex called Mutta Tower. So I'm just showing you the landmark. I'm standing in front of Chickpet metro station. This is Chickpet metro station. Right next to that there is a street. Just get inside this street. You can just see there is Chickpet metro station. This is a street. Just follow the location from here. Little bit further you can just check. One big left will come here. There is a complex like this. This left you have to take. So when you come to the dead end of this road, you can just check. You have to take a right. Just go a little further and here his outlet is going to come. So when you come little bit further, you can just check. This is at complex, Mutta complex, and here his outlet is at Patel Trading. This is an exclusive wholesale outlet of chocolates and energy drink, and it comes right opposite to this Kumkum. This is one landmark you can just check, and here his outlet is there. Exclusive energy drinks and chocolate wholesale studio, minimum 2000 online, no single piece, no retail. When you come to the outlet also, you have to buy box piece. So this is one entrance, and right next to here you can just see from here also, here his outlet is there. This is also one more entrance. The Google Maps will come very soon in the description. So this is also one more entrance, you can just check. One more place, Patel Trading. So this is an exclusive wholesale outlet of chocolates, energy drinks, minimum 2000 online. When you come to the outlet, you can buy box piece. Just check like this. All energy drinks are there, fully loaded. How much a piece you want, 100, 200, entire set you have to buy like this. You can easily get over here. So this is outlet, you can just have a look. Patel Trading, exclusive wholesale outlet of chocolates. All types of chocolates you will get. Regular chocolates, international chocolates. For kids, if you want for corporate, for any festival, for Diwali, for your home, if you want to start a business of chocolates, each and everything you will get for wholesale price. Number is on video screen. If you want to know any more detail, you want to purchase their product, WhatsApp or video call, they'll send you all detail. So whenever you come here, you can meet him. He's the owner of this place. They are brothers. His name is Mr. Suresh. Hi sir. His name is Mr. Vikram. And his name is Mr. Jitu Patel. So whenever you come here, you can meet them. They are the owners of this place. So right now I'm going to show you all the chocolates. Right from Dairy Milk, all types of Dairy Milk, latest chocolates you'll get. You can just have a look. All Dairy Milk chocolates you'll get. Sneakers you'll get. Cadbury Fuse you'll get. Kit Kat, Pert. You ask, they have each and every chocolate. 5-star, Milky Bar, Perk. All whatever chocolates you're looking, all latest chocolates you'll get. Munch. Like this entire box will come, you can just see. Dairy Milk, Silk, all latest chocolate. Very nice place this is. You're getting for wholesale price. Munch. Again A to Z, all Dairy Milk chocolates you'll get. And apart from this, you'll also get some international chocolates like Bounty. You can just have a look. Bounty you'll get small. This is a small one. This is a big one. You can just see. This is a small one. This is a big one. Price I cannot tell. His business gets affected. That's the reason. You WhatsApp video call. Toblerone you will get. This all is Toblerone. Polo is there. This is Dark Fantasy Amul. And when it comes to packaged chocolate, if you want like this, these kind of packaged chocolates also you'll get. You can just see in this also a lot of varieties is there. Coca Ball. Like this packaged chocolates also you'll get. If you want for corporate gifting, for your home, if you want to start a business of chocolate, if you want for Diwali is coming now. So all these things you're getting for wholesale price. You can just see like this jelly also you'll get. These are packaged chocolates. In this also they have almost 50-60 varieties. Hai na sir? 50-60 varieties you'll get. You can just see. These are all packaged chocolates. And apart from packaged chocolates, if you're looking for like this Desi Pops, Tamarind, you can just see in this also flavors are there. Mango is there. Whatever is latest flavor, this you'll get. And apart from this, you can just see some new chocolates are here which I'm seeing. King Chocobar, White Milky Hearts. And apart from this, you can just see again here all packaged chocolates are there. This is all like 50 piece, 100 piece, like this it will come in this. So in this also a lot of varieties are there. Again you can just see. So if you want to buy like this is also here, and these are all the chocolates over here. So 4-5 types of chocolates you will get. One is packet. If you want like this baguette chocolates, Like the bucket chocolates also you'll get, and this you are getting for wholesale price, not retail. This all is wholesale price, and this is all like this, fully loaded. You can just see box pieces of chocolates, different varieties. Some is some glacier fruit, draft, like this. All you will get. Now when you come to chewing gum, in chewing gum you will get center fruit, center fresh is there, Mentos is there, Mentos flavors is there, Alphenlibe is there. Then in center fruit also, whatever flavor is there, everything you will get. And apart from this, if you want like this like box and all, these are the regular one: Mentos, Boomer jelly, center fruit watermelon flavor, Happy Dent. So A to Z chocolates you will get here. Number is on video screen. WhatsApp, video call them. They'll send you all detail. And if you're looking for gift purpose, for corporate, for your home, for any festival like this, see different types of chocolate you will get. You will get Ferrero Rocher also. So this depends. In this now 5 pieces are there. You can just see this is Ferrero Rocher. In this you will get small one also. This is like almost like 10-15 piece. So like this, which is used for gift purpose. And all festivals are coming now. Ganesh festival, Diwali festival, Christmas is going to come. So you can come here, buy like this, see. Very nice. Lot of flavors you will get. Different flavors of chocolates you will get. Strawberry, mango, all this, just see. Very nice collections of chocolate. Number is on video screen. WhatsApp, video call them. They'll send you all detail. Now coming to toys. For kids also you can just see lot of varieties are there for kids toys. You will get Kinder Joy, and these are some different varieties of kids toys chocolate. This all are toys chocolate, and you can just have a look like this. Football shape is there, and this all is different shapes of kids chocolate. You can just see this is teddy bear. So in kids also you will get lot of varieties in kids toys chocolate. When it comes to like these boxes, you can just see this is like so many chocolates are there in this box. You can just have a look. In this 150, 200 chocolates will be there. Like these boxes also you'll get marshmallow. In marshmallow also lot of flavors you'll get. And like this also you'll get. You can just have a look. This all are for gift purpose. You want to use for your house. You want to use for your business. And this is all marshmallow again. Kind of marshmallow only, you can just see. Any more detail, WhatsApp, video call them. And this almond, very popular chocolate. This is almond one. And these are foxes. You can just see coming from so many years, almost 30 years. I know these flavors. Mint flavor is there. Mixed fruit flavor is there. A to Z regular and international chocolates you'll get. Chewing gum you'll get. Number is on video screen. Europa is here. You can just have a look. All amazing tidbits is here. Like this marshmallow box will only come. You can just see amazing place. One of the best place for chocolates this is. Any more detail, you can WhatsApp, video call them. They'll send you all the details. And like this you can just see Natura. This also you'll get. Acha, ye kids ka. This for kids you can just see. And these marshmallows. And you can just see like this basil seed, orange flavor, strawberry flavor, mixed fruit flavor. In this almost 10 flavors are there, 10 to 12 flavors. So like this also you'll get. These are foxes. Mint flavor, mixed flavor, fruits flavor, Hershey's, Hell, all energy drink you will get. And you can just have a look. Hershey's, Kisses, like this box, like this pouch also you'll get. And apart from this all are regular chocolates. Package one, this is Cadbury chocolate. Jelly is there. This is Jelly Fresh. You can just have a look. I'm seeing for the first time Jelly Fresh Blueberry. Looks very nice. I don't know what is exactly inside, but this is there. This is almond chocolate, which is coming from many years. This is nutritious chickies and all. This is of peanuts, coconut flavor. You can just have a look. It's made of coconut flavor and peanuts. This peanuts basically. Very nice. This is very healthy. Like this chocolate. This is a pan flavor. In this, see, you will get this one also. Rose flavor. Wow, very nice here. Like they have amazing chocolates. I really loved it. This is one teddy bear like this. You can just see in this also a lot of chocolates. Alphenlibe is there. And this is also the chewy candy, which is very popular. If you have seen this, it's very popular. In this also flavors are there, mango and all. And then this is Choco Choki, Malkis. This is a wafer cream biscuit. It comes with cheese biscuit. This is a chocolate again. Oreo is there. In this Oreo also you'll get lot of varieties. You'll get like you want how much of a piece is there. Badam drink is there. This is for kids. Amul dark chocolate, Kinder Joy. And these are some other chocolates, Nutella, Peanuts Punch. Like this Gems box also you'll get. And you can just see like this full bucket will come. This all is cake items. This Chupa Chups. This Tommy. This Chupa Chups candies. Lollipop type. So before wind up, I just want to tell that this studio is having awesome collections of chocolates. We'll highly recommend you people also come to the studio. I'm sure you love their collections. I'll meet you in another new happening shopping destination. Till then, have a great time.